Alright, Wash House Base, Part 2, Central Vehicle Washing Track Facilities. Alright, like we said, we were going to put the roof on. Alright, we have the roof, which is basically, this is a roof, but look, oh, here, it's underneath the rail too, but I'm going to spread it out with a central basin and fold a piece of paper over there showing how it slopes down into the drainage part, right? So, and on track facilities where it's concrete, we're going to have this kind of rail, and then you're going to have your trench box I showed you earlier inside there. Okay, what do we do with this concrete pad for a larger yard, you know? Okay, so what we had was a roof. Notice it's split. I split it so you can make it straight and then go down. Going into the next yard, you know, like see, so this will be the underground lane. We're gonna stay above ground here. All right, these are the baffles. These are baffle pictures, you know. Might do it underneath the tracks. I taped those to that. And then, okay, this is, oh shit. This is your baffle tank. You got your baffle, and then you have, we'll come back to the, what the hell is it? Alright, you got your baffle, alright. Baffle, and you got your, you had your roof, and the roof is in the shape. Notice that this was half the size of this, half the size of that. So, like, cut it in half. What do you got? You got your oil outlet, you know, your clean water in channel, adjustable baffle inlet. So this one's split in half, and that's that page. These are to fit underneath the railroad tracks, and then. Alright, we go from railroad tracks to concreted pad tracks, concreted tracks, railroad tracks, concrete pad tracks. Alright, so we're on the tracks now. We have our oil sump drain off, roof, side ballast. We're dealing with tanker cars, but that's a 737. I'm sorry, I just like putting this there. Alright, so what you got right here is on the side, you'll have cannons coming down here to wash the sides, but what do you do on the top? You have a tower and detail cross, lighting, switch, pole, swivel, flexible hose, hose connection, and it goes down to the ground wash line from their U.S. Coast Central Vehicle Washing Facilities. And make a rail yard going out of these things. So from track to track, in between the tracks, you have pulled in this and the Central Vehicle yards. Now you have a yard with central vehicle watering posts. Notice that I did the berm on the side. This is to move it down in case I need to drop the drainage. Another picture of dikes. And then like, alright, this is a earthen dikes water skill about that. Alright, so what I did here is, what if you got a railroad service road? You got a service road. We'll also wash the trucks just like a central vehicle machine. So you either got the shed that washes the train, your wash tanker car base, shed base. You can either have it over, you can have the roof over the shed base, or sometimes they have a maintenance yard, a maintenance room just for this, like in the meantime, not where they build it, but where they wash it up and stuff. And then you got your service yard over here. Service yard over here. I'll have one. I don't know what I did with the paper. So if you were to have a road here, you'd have a wash your tractor trailers. You could wash the tractor trailers on the roof. You could wash your tank cars on the roof. So there's 4 different options right here.